Hello! Today I will show you how to enable dark mode for Google Apps. To start, open Google and choose your profile icon and pick Google account. As you see, we are in light mode. To change it, go to the settings and choose Display and Touch. Then in Appearance, turn on Dark Dim. Go back to Google account. As you see, we are in dark mode. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.